Hello students, we will discuss one of the important questions related with the thermometry. For thermometry, most time a question which is asked is conversion of the temperature into another scale. The variation they offer is they usually give Celsius temperature with some faulty scale of the thermometer, or they will consider Celsius scale thermometer with some arbitrary thermometer whose upper fixation point and lower fixation point are different. So how to deal with that? It's very simple. You have to use a simple formula as I'm giving with now. Temperature on any scale minus low fixation point upon upper fixation point minus low fixation point is constant. Okay, so this is very key factor in this cases. In solving questions like this, you have to use the formula I have given. Temperature on any type of the scale, any arbitrary scale, faulty scale, whatever they may call it, minus low fixation point upon upper fixation point minus low fixation point is a constant for all the scales, and that's why it is used as a conversion factor. Say for example, you have to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, or Fahrenheit to Kelvin, or Kelvin to Celsius, or Romer scale, or Rankine scale. There are a lot of other scales, so you have to convert one of the temperature into another, or maybe in a arbitrary temperature scale or any faulty thermometer, you will use the same formula. Okay, so to get the better understanding, let us take one example. And it reads like this: a faulty thermometer reads freezing point and boiling point of water as 5 degrees Celsius and 95 degrees Celsius respectively. What is the correct value of the temperature as it reads 60 degree on the faulty thermometer? After all, you have to keep in mind that faulty thermometer is also a thermometer, but which is of different kind. So what you have to do is you have to simply use the formula of conversion I have given just now. Okay, so here you have to consider one scale as of that faulty thermometer or arbitrary thermometer, whatever, and we have to compare it with Celsius one. So now in this case, let us try to identify what are the upper fixation point and lower fixation point. They have said that the freezing point and boiling point. Okay, so that means their lower fixation point is 5 degrees Celsius. Their upper fixation point is 95 degrees Celsius, and they are expecting us to find out the Celsius counterpart of whatever 60 degrees Celsius they have given. So the given temperature is going to be 60 degrees Celsius, and we have to find out its Celsius counterpart. So again, the formula that is very useful here is the same, just I shared with it now, and that is temperature in any scale. Say this is 60 minus low fixation point, which is 5, upon upper fixation point in that scale minus lower fixation point is equal to temperature in the Celsius that we are expecting, and upon the low fixation point so far Celsius is concerned, because for Celsius you know that the lower fixation point is 0, ice point, and upper fixation point is steam point, which is 100 degrees Celsius. So you have to simplify this. Say what you get is, here you will be getting 55, here you will be getting 90, and this is C upon 100. So simplifying it, we get C as 61.11 degrees Celsius. This is how the answer goes. Okay, so you won't find any problem hereafter while tackling the questions like this. What you have to remember is you have to simply use the simple conversion formula I have shared with it, and you can convert any faulty thermometer or arbitrary scale with any of other scales, provided you know the lower fixation point and upper fixation point for all their scales. Okay, so that's for today. Thank you very much.